Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today we are here at my house and we're wearing our second set of new Recipes Mania aprons, courtesy of Crystal's dad. So thank you
Dad.
for that.
Thanks, Dad.
And we are making Crystal's recipe today. We're calling it Double Chocolate Crunch Cake.
And you'll see why very soon.
Okay, so we're starting with our Duncan Hines Classic White Cake Mix, which we have in our bowl. And we're going to be adding the ingredients for the cake mix according to the box, which are a half cup of vegetable oil, and 3 egg whites. And we're going to mix that up and be right back. All right, so we have our batter mixed up, our cake mix with our eggs, oil, and a cup of water. Got a nice cooking batter here, and we're ready for our next ingredient. What should we add, Crystal?
The crunch bar. We're gonna fold that in.
All right, so we have a crunch bar here. Yum. That we've broken up into pieces, and we're gonna be adding those in.
Crunch bar is my favorite candy.
Crunch bars are very good. All right, fold that in. Now what?
Now, the ice cream cones.
Okay, we used a box of jumbo ice cream cones, and they're crunched up here, and we're gonna add those in.
Courtesy of Jody. Thanks for...
Thank you.
Okay, for our last ingredient, we have Ghirardelli chocolate chips. And since we love chocolate here at Recipes Mania, we melted down the whole bag.
Yeah, we've got the big 23-ounce bag of milk chocolate chips, all melted in a bowl here.
And we're gonna put that in.
All right, our batter is ready to go. It looks delicious. And we have our bundt pan here, which we've sprayed with our cooking spray. And we're gonna add in our batter.
I'm taking this home.
Yep. All right, our batter is in the pan. Are you sure you want to take this one home, Crystal?
Yes!
Okay.
This one, I love you, but I'm not keeping it at your house.
Okay. Well, we're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna check on it in 36 minutes. And we'll see you then. All right, it is done. I'm a little jealous that Crystal gets to take this one home. It looks so good. It's a little crumbly, so you'll want to be careful cutting it, but we've cut out a piece right here to give it a try. All right, let's see. That is really good. Really chocolatey. I hope you'll give this a try. And we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.